Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubicsol YouTube channel, and in today's video we will learn how to create SQLite database in Android Studio. So let's start. So here you can see that we have created a simple Android Studio project, and this is an SQLite series for absolute beginners. And in this series we will learn how to create SQLite database in Android, how to create tables and how to store data of the user inside those tables, and how we can manage that data. I mean edit, update or delete that data from those tables. So in this video we will learn about those tables, so please watch all the videos of this series. In the previous video of this series we learned what is SQLite, and in this video we will create an SQLite class and we will learn how to create SQLite database in Android Studio. So first of all, you can see that we have created a simple Android Studio project, and you have to right click on this package name, select new and click on Java class, and I'm going to name this MyDB helper. Press enter button, and we have to extend this class from SQLite open helper. So here you will see a red bulb, so you have to click on this bulb and press implement methods. It will ask you two methods to implement. The first one will be on create and the second one will be on upgrade. So you just have to select both of the methods. In my case the both methods are already selected, so just press the OK button. So you can see that two methods have been created. One is on create and second is on upgrade, but still you can see that it is giving me an error because we don't have create constructor yet. So we have create constructor for our class. To create the constructor, again click on this red bulb and select create constructor and select the first one and press OK button. Here inside my constructor it is passing 4 parameters, but we don't need all these parameters. We have created a separate class of our database so we can use this class in the multiple activities, because when we develop professional Android apps we need database at multiple screen, or I mean at multiple activities. So that's why I have created a separate class so I can create an object of this class in which activity I want to use this class, and by using this technique I will not need to create multiple connections, or I will not need to write this code multiple times. That's why I have created a class named MyDB helper, and inside this class I have created a constructor, and in this constructor it has passing 4 parameters. We don't need these parameters. We only have to pass one parameter context only. So I'm going to remove these remaining 3 parameters, and here you can see that first of all it is asking for context. So context means when we will create an object of this class, suppose in main activity we will pass our context, and this constructor will get that context easily. Second name, we have need a database name. So first of all I will create a variable here. Variable type would be private, static, final, and here I will type my variable type would be string, because we have to store our database name in this variable. And next I will type here database underscore name is equal to contacts. The reason I use private word in the starting of my variable because I don't want to allow this variable to be used in any of my class, and the reason I use static word because we will not need to create any object of this variable to use this. And final means because I also don't want to because this is my database name, so we will not allow this variable to be changed, because suppose if this database name variables will be changed in the below section of this activity, then it will become an error and that database will be not found. So because I want this variable values would be final, and that's why I have used the final word, and because we want to store a string information in this variable, that's why I have used string type. And the reason I use uppercase name for these variables because it will help me to denote that this type of variables are static final. So I just have to type here database name, and at the place of factory I will type here null, and finally we need our database version. So database version at the starting point we will type here only 1, but suppose in the future if you make some changes in your database, suppose you add some columns inside a table, or you create new tables inside your database, you must need to change this variant. So at the starting point we will give the version 1. So I will type here private static final int and database underscore version is equal to 1. That's it. And at this place I will type database version. That's it, guys. So by writing this code you can create a database inside your Android phone. In the next video we will learn how to create tables using SQLite, and we will also learn the purpose of these two methods, on create and on upgrades. And in the next upcoming videos we will learn how we can store data inside these tables, how we can retrieve that data, how we can update that data, and how we can delete that data. So guys, the upcoming videos are also important, and I hope you must like this video. If you have any question you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. And finally, thanks for watching.